In this class, you will need to do 3 presentations. I just want to show you briefly how to use Google Slides. You can also use PowerPoint, but I think Google Slides is way easier. So here we go. You need a Gmail account, and you can start by going into this box over here. Click on Docs. When you get to Docs, go to Slides. And you can start a blank presentation, or, and I recommend this, go to the template gallery and see which kind of presentation you like. Okay, maybe I will use this one. Okay. So all you really need to do here, now it's all made for you, you just need to change the information. So here you will write the name of your presentation. For example, applying to CCP. Here you will write your name. And your first slide is of course going to be your outline. You can click on this. Let's see, here we go, to show you, say your outline. So here you can say apply, take placement test, and register for courses. This can be your outline. So you can see that it's very easy. You don't need to create anything. You just kind of replace the words with your own. So here, maybe I don't like this slide a lot, so I'll delete it. I'll keep this slide and I'll start with my first main point, which is apply. And I can write some stuff here. I can change this image if I want. But the point is, oh, and here you can write the name of your presentation, 073 presentation 1. Okay? So the point is that you don't have to start from zero. The slides are already made. You just need to replace the words. Look at all these different styles of presentations. Maybe you didn't like the other style, so you click on this and it'll automatically transfer everything here. Maybe you like this one. Maybe you like this one. Okay. The important thing is to follow the instructions. You will have a handout like this. And I think I gave this to you already. Do not include too much text. You can have a title and 20 words. No sentences. Minimum font size must be 22. So if I take a quick look here, is this 22 at least? Well, it's 36, so that's good. Is this at least 22? No, so I have to change this. So you have to make slight adjustments to the size to make sure that you meet my requirements. But apart from that, this should be a pretty simple thing to do. I hope this was helpful. And by the way, you can practice by clicking on present and just going through the slides and talking. Talking. Okay, I hope that was helpful, guys.